That notice, they declared that a person who is doing 4 year undergraduate program, they don't need to pursue their master's program or B.Ed program. They are
Okay.
directly eligible to do PhD in any subject. So, what are your thoughts on that?
What are the things you will make changes from CBSE to a state board schools?
That we all know that there are so many aspirants who want to become a teacher and also a government teacher. Then what makes you different that you will be a government teacher and the another will not become a government teacher? What makes you different from them?
They work also in a home, they handle the family, they take care of their children. So if I will be a teacher and maximum girls want to be a teacher, to manage their pending works in a holiday, they spend with time with their children and family. So as we know that in a women life there are so many responsibilities, not in a working job, there are personal responsibility also compared to her men's.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello sir.
Introduce yourself, please.
Okay, so thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Firstly, it's me, Shruti Suman, and when I talk about my address, I am proper resident of Hazaribagh. When it's come to my family background, I belong to nuclear family. If I talk about my current status, currently I am a student, and moving on to my qualification, I currently I am pursuing my post graduation from ISEC University, and I have completed my graduation from another college, and I have also completed my B.Ed course from Ma Vindhyachal College of Padma. And if I talk about my aim, I want to become a government teacher. So that's all about my introduction.
Okay, so coming directly to your question regarding that, the boards, like in our countries, there are so many boards like ICSE board, CBSE board, a state board. So is it a right time to merge the all boards and it should be a common board, because now we are talking about the UCC Uniform Civil Code, you are talking about the one nation, one election, like that. Okay, so do you feel that as we are considered as a one nation, so do you feel that it's a high time or it's a right time to merge all those board to remove or to remove the distinguish between the each and other one to one states or one to other states?
Thank you, sir. But I don't think so to merge the all different types of boards, because we know that the in a village there are not most facility like a private school compared to a city. So I think in a village there are a small school, या फिर government school. They are not financially good at schooling in a private. So that's why our government has decided to distribute the state board or a CBSE board or ICSE board.
So which board you feel that it's a good or better for the students, the CBSE, ICSE or the state boards?
So I feel because I had passed in a CBSE board, and that board that type of a school and that type of a board is a very affordable in middle class or a lower class.
Means a state board is not affordable?
Affordable, but if I compare the CBSE board or a JAC board, in CBSE board there are syllabus is divided into two sections, like a half yearly examination and final examination. But in Jharkhand, in a state board, we can see the all examination like a chapter 1 to 20. If we see, then all merge in a final board. So it is so difficult to that candidate.
Okay, next question is that you know that in our societies, are generally the parents are very prone to induct their children into a school sooner. Okay, while they attain the age of 2 and 2.5 even. Okay, we started to send them in the play school or other school rather than to with us. Okay, so do you feel that this kind of cultures is going to mentally harm the students, because you know that in the other countries they are not sending their children before 6 or 7 years, 8 years even. Okay, they started to send their children. So why we are so become such kind of persons that we always want our children to do better, and we are very prone to send our children very in early age to a school? So what is your opinion regarding that, and what can we do for that? Because you know we have also watched a lot of videos like the girls she was from the J&K and she started appealing to the Prime Minister even कि sir बहुत ज़्यादा homework मिलता है स्कूलों में, just save us like that.
Lots of changes in the new education policy.
Do you think that changes is good for every student or no?
No. I think not good for every student, because vocational course is a very long course, that is a 4-year course. So I don't think for every student should agree that.
So, suppose I will give you the chance to change the education policies, then what will you indulge the new policies in the education system?
So, if I have power to change the new education policy, firstly, I change the vocational code. Just as I mentioned that is very according to me that is a very long term process.
Previously, you have mentioned that among all the other boards, you find CBSE more preferable. So recently, I have gone through an article. I think about some days ago that CBSE is planning to introduce open book examination in schools. Have you heard that?
Yes.
Okay, so fine. So as far my knowledge is concerned, in India, the term open book examination is especially for higher education, like PhD and master's degree and other things. So do you think that is it not going to harm the knowledge of students of schools? Is it okay to introduce such things in schools like open book examination
ma'am.
and all?
Hello, sir.
I want to ask question that every person has different aim, but you have chosen teaching sector. Means what motivates you to become a teacher, and how as you study in a CBSE board, and what changes you will take from the CBSE to the or to the school that will be provided by the state.
Honestly, I say I love to spend my time with children. I love children, and currently I am teaching tuition at my home, so I feel very connected with them. That's why I want to be to become a teacher.
What are the things you will make changes from CBSE to a state board schools?
Live in a village. I was firstly study in a government school. I saw that time that school has not any discipline, not proper teacher was available that time. I thought that is the differences between any private school or a government school. If I will be a teacher in a government school, I will definitely change that of a thing.
Are you aware about the notice that UGC releases a day or two before regarding to pursue PhD? So what are your thoughts on it?
So again, sir.
Have you aware about the notice that UGC released a day or two before regarding to pursue PhD?
No, sir. I heard
So
not.
in that notice, they declared that a person who is doing 4-year undergraduate program, they don't need to pursue their master's program or B.Ed program. They are
Okay.
directly eligible to do PhD in any subject. So what are your thoughts on that? So my question is that as you are a proper resident of Hazaribagh,
Yes.
so what are the conditions of government schools in your area, particularly in Hazaribagh?
That we all know that there are so many aspirants who want to become a teacher and also a government teacher. Then what makes you different that you will be a government teacher and the another will not become a government teacher? What makes you different from them?
So yes, you are absolutely right. Many candidates who prepare in a teaching sector, but apart from them, my strategy is clear for because I love, as I mentioned, I love the children. And I curiously know about the thought of them. So that's why I feel that I am a different when I will be a teacher, and mostly I connect for them and handle the situation in classrooms.
Okay, nice, ma'am. My last question to you that if I carry out the survey in our societies, means 90 out of 100 girls or the women want to be a teacher. So what could be the possible reason? Because everyone wants to be a teacher rather than choosing other fields. Because there are a lot of fields where the girls can participate both hand in hand with the men. So why this is the mindset of the girls and the women. They generally prefer to be a teacher or banker. So mostly I think that 90% they prefer teacher. What is the reason?
Okay,
Right.
sir, your question is very practical. As we know that a teacher is a very safest job for girls because there are fixed timing to go for your work. Like